Hey guys, it's Rachel. What's going on? Back with another video. Today I am doing 3 looks using the Pat McGrath Holiday Palettes. I did one eye with one eye with another, and then I finished off both eyes with this one because this is the one I was most excited to use. I was very grateful and got these sent to me by accident. If you didn't watch my Sephora haul, I'll leave it up above so you guys can check it out. So we're going to go through these looks and then I'll tell my final thoughts at the end.
You and I against the world, that's what you told me that night in the terminal as we were boarding, and I know you meant it, holding my hand so tight as we flew from Lafayette back to Pacific time. And you laid your head on my shoulder, couple tears we shed over Arizona, an emotional roller coaster, yeah. We ride the highs and lows, we ride the highs and lows. You'll never be alone, even when your world explodes, 'cause after all the smoke clears, I will be right here. I will be right here when the smoke clears. I will be right here when the smoke clears. And when I hit the wall back in December, I took my hardest fall, but we fell together and we spent the weekend pacing the hotel room at the West End in Dublin. Never felt so close to you, and I laid my head on your shoulder. By the time we left, we were 10 years older, an emotional roller coaster, yeah. We ride the highs and lows. When the smoke clears, I will be right here when the smoke clears. You and I against the world, that's what you told me. We ride the highs and no, honey, I'm good. I could have another, but I probably should not. I got somebody at home. It's been a long night here and a long night there, and these long legs are damn near everywhere. Hold up now, you look good, I will not lie, but if you ask where I'm staying tonight, I gotta be like, oh baby, no baby, you got me all wrong baby. My baby's already got all of my love. So no, honey, I'm good. I could have another, but I probably should not. I got somebody at home, and if I stay, I might not leave alone. No, honey, I'm good. I could have another, but I probably should not. I gotta bid you adieu to another. I will stay true. I will stay true. I will stay true. So no, honey, I'm good. I could have another, but I probably should not. I got somebody at home, and if I stay, I might not leave alone. No, honey, I'm good. I could have another, but I probably should not. I gotta bid you adieu to another. I will stay true. I will stay true. I will stay true. probably should not. I got somebody at home, and if I stay, I might not leave alone. No, honey, I'm good. I could have another, but I probably should not. I gotta bid you adieu to another. I will stay. No, no, honey, I'm good. I could have another, but I probably should not. I got somebody at home, and if I stay, I might not leave alone. No, honey, I'm good. I could have another, but I probably should not. I got these fresh eyes, never seen you before like this. My God, you're beautiful. It's like the first time when we opened the door for we got used to usual. It might seem superficial, stereotypical man. You dress up just a little and I'm like, oh damn. So suddenly I'm in love with a stranger. I can't believe that she's mine. Now all I see is you with fresh eyes, fresh eyes. So suddenly I'm in love with a stranger. I can't believe that she's mine. Yeah, and now all I see is you with fresh eyes, fresh eyes. Appreciation, well it comes and it goes, but I ride that wave with you. It's human nature to miss what's under your nose till you remind a fool. Maybe all of this is simple. My heart's unconditional, yeah. You dress up just a little and I'm like, oh damn. So suddenly I'm in love with a stranger. I can't believe that she's mine. Now all I see is you with fresh eyes, fresh eyes. So suddenly I'm in love with a stranger. I can't believe that she's mine. Yeah, and now all I see is you with fresh eyes, fresh eyes. If I could bottle this up, bottle this up, I would bottle this up, bottle this up, I would. 'Cause you're gorgeous in this moment. If I could bottle this up, I would. So suddenly I'm in love with a stranger. I can't believe that she's mine. Now all I see is you with fresh eyes, fresh eyes. So suddenly I'm in love with a stranger. I can't believe that she's mine. Yeah, and now all I see is you with fresh eyes, fresh eyes.
Alright, final thoughts. These palettes are beautiful, don't get me wrong. This Dark Star palette right here, it's okay. My favorite colors really are these shimmers, and even the black's nice. I don't like this gray. I felt like it was patchy and hard to work with. Then the Metamorphosis palette, all shimmers, all nice. Nothing really bad to say. They're pretty colors. Just wish there was mattes, because I mean I wind up going in with a shimmer on my crease, but it is what it is. And the Bronze Temptation palette. I really like this. I like the two transition color. Well, I like transition color and I like the color to deepen it. And these tones, this is very versatile for many people. Like everyday wearers are going to gravitate more towards this one than the other two. I will say, for all of these metallic shimmers, I think it might be best either wet your brush or use a glitter glue, because I felt a lot of it falling on my face every time I was applying it. That's one thing to note. And then this shade here is really unique. It looks cranberry right now, but you see how I turned it and it goes almost gold? Let me see if it'll do it on my finger. Okay, there's the cranberry. Yeah, it's a little hard to tell. Let's see. Oh, there you go, you can kind of see it. And you see how it's like cranberry, and then it goes like dark gold. It's really unique. It's a cool duochrome, I must say. It actually has a little bit of like a green gold undertone to it. But yeah, overall, this is definitely my favorite palette just because this one and this one, I both have to use other palettes in conjunction with these ones. That's pretty much it. If you liked the video, subscribe to the channel, hit the like button. I'll see you next time. Bye guys.